This is my uh, cardinal grapes, red cardinal grapes. So getting worse because many causes. But for today's video, we will revive these plants to grow again. So what we expected and what we wanted. You see, it have roots, but fortunately not enough supplement to make it grow more beautiful. Not in the expected days we were gonna revive it. And we need some this soil and more fertile soil, and now we should here this. That's nice. We will add some soil, fertile. Okay. Now we're gonna put water for dehydration, redehydration of the roots. First of all, we're gonna cut it here. Yeah, we're gonna cut it here. Okay. Okay, that's beautiful. And we will wait. Now we're gonna put some date on it, so we can identify where we started to revive our plants. So we're gonna put there. And before we settle in, we should put some plastic here for protection of redehydration of our plants, for the protection of evaporating humidity, for the water to stabilize inside our grapes branch, or I don't know what's called it. So that's what we do. Okay, that's how I do it. Okay.